Welcome to Daphne's Diary. Hey guys, do you see something new in my hair? Yeah, I cut my hair. So why I did cut my hair? Because it's very hot first in the Philippines, you know. We're in a Pacific Ring of Fire, so definitely it will be hot here. Second is that I want a new hairstyle. A lot of saying, my classmates and my friends are saying that I am broken-hearted. Girl, how can I be broken-hearted? Even though I don't do romantic relationship. So yeah, it is impossible for me to be broken-hearted. So yeah, and actually I've started vlogging earlier at school. Yeah, me and my classmates vlogged there, and I also vlog what we did after school, and yeah, I'm currently doing assignments. We have a lot of things to do and tasks to do, like group projects, reporting, what else, performance tasks, and it's very I think it's not that loaded. Like all subjects have assignments and performance tasks and reporting. Like, girl, how can I survive? And though there are subjects that doesn't require to finish it all in one day, it has like a date on when you're gonna submit it, but still I want all my works to be done in just one day, so that the following days I can be chill, or the following days I can do the things that made us do during that day. So yeah, and time to finish it all.
Na-stress na po si Daphne girl. Daphne girl, kaya mo pa ba? Kaya ko pa.
Or Gogagin nyo.
1,004, 1,001. Oh my god. Tawag na ambulansya. Dalihan nyo na, magmira na. 20 na times ko, no? 20 times x, 20x. Tama ba? 20 times x, 20x. Paano? Alin? Bakit pang...
Hey guys, so what time is it? It's currently 6:40 a.m. and I am going to school na. And it is August 14, 2024, Thursday. And we have a lot of agenda for today's video. I'm gonna bring this vlog with me because I'm gonna buy my mother's present presents because tomorrow it'll be her birthday. Yeah, so I'm just gonna buy her presents and everything, so stay tuned as I buy her present. So yeah, bye.
Saan yan?
Laan mo.
Wait, istubo ko na kayo ng dalawang doble. O, di ako isipin ko, 300 pesos. Tatandaan ko mga mukha niyong nagpaiwan kayo.
Nila. Mga study first.
Ay, August 16 birthday na ni Mama. Hindi pa rin ako nakabili ng regalo. As you can see sa video, nag-ano lang kami. Nag-7-Eleven lang ako. With my classmates. Tapos after that, siguro ngayon nakabibili ng gift for my mother. And yeah, stay tuned na lang talaga kasi yun, bibilin ko siya. Tapos stay tuned naman sa mga mangyayari na bagay-bagay. Yun lang. So, I'm actually going to school now. I'm just waiting for my father to come. Yeah. This is me. This is real. And I'm excited how I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light. Look at my abag, so.
O, diba? Parang nasa short film. Maraming salamat daw.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
Siraan ng cellphone eh. Guys.
Mag-aral din yan. Ayan na si Ma'am Carlo. I-enroll na kita. Sino yan?
Oh my God.
Yeah, pwede natin puntahan.
Guys, gusto mo?
Gusto mo makita?
Hindi, cute lang yan.
Oo.
Mini nga eh.
Mini nga, di ba?
Malaki pala
Ang
sa
cute
akin.
day yan. Ikaw lang nagbigay sa akin nito. Pati si Ann.
Sino?
Patingin niya pa ako. Makita ka, diba? 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 Oo. Ay na, video yun eh.
Ay!
Bye. Ay, Jayan. Jayan, ba't wala akong hotdog?
Ito hotdog ba?
Ito ko siya pa.
Kaya nga, ganyan sa akin. Surprise daw. Jadi na kasi.
Hawakan niyo to.
Ilan?
Hawakan mo to.
Tiga?
Sige, hawakan mo, break.
Bakit? Ano nangyari? Angel? Malamang te. Tama.
Ay, yung tennis ah. Ano talagay nila? Ginawang basket. Ay, ginawang volleyball.
Hindi ka mahulog. Okay lang.
Ayun ko to kayo
Eh, ano kayang gagalaan natin diyan?
Ano ba gusto?
Pili ko,
Kailan pala?
bukas agad, bukas. Ba't mamaya pupunta tayo sa inyo?
Ano? Bakit? Wala, gusto mo lang.
Ano ko, birthday na maganda mo.
Bukas nga.
Mas
Go! Oh, na pumangit tuloy.
Parang pumangit nga. Ba't parang may aroma dito? Magkaka-aroma to. Grabe.
Ay, hindi. Sasayaw ka palagi.
Sayaw. 1, 2, go!
Go! You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy. Skies are gray.
Ang pangit nito. Wala sa category.
Like blah blah blah. Y'all should know me well enough.
bam 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 bam.
Game.
She is the most beautiful girl in their house.
The
number one person who can inhalants.
Namamaltok ng suklay pag napipikon. Tantanan.